Hello everyone, this is Stephanie Pettis in the Rolling Studio, and I'm coming at you today to share with you my winnings from Grace Valdivia. She has a Facebook group called Crafters Monkeys Mess, and did a challenge, and the challenge was basically to create a video to do something that was just for her group. So if you're not in her group, check her out. And you can request to go in. Again, Crafters Monkey Mess is the name of her group, and I'll be sharing with you the prize that I received for doing the challenge. So I have opened it, but I have not looked at it. There was 2 drawings, and I got the second drawing. I believe Misty Blackburn from Craftinista's jewelry channel, Misty Blackburn from Mac Jewelry, won the first one. So oops, Grace, oops, she had, my bad, she has a card and the embossing's tearing. Oh, well, at least it's the back of it. Okay, sorry Grace. It says, Stephanie, congratulations on the winning end of year challenge. Enjoy your prize. Big hugs. All for the best for 2018. Love, Gracie. And there is her YouTube channel, which is Nostalgic Intricate Delights by M. Grace. So check her channel out. She does some beautiful work. She's been doing some card making as well. We call her Gracie Lacy, Lacy Gracie. But she does beautiful lace work, and everything she does, she just kind of turns to gold. So anyways, here we go. I think I'm zoomed in enough. I'm going to set this to the side, and I will just pull this out as we go. Sorry for the lights reflecting. Maybe I should put down a piece of paper or something. Let me see. I've got a piece of paper out here, so let me just knock out some of that. There, maybe the glare won't be so bad. Sorry for the crinkling. I know a lot of people don't like the crinkle. I love the crinkle. I love the crinkle because it means I'm opening something. And I love to listen to other people crinkle theirs. I mean, maybe I'm a weirdo, but I kind of like the crinkle. So if you don't, I apologize. You can turn it down. But we're crinkling here in this truck. I'm just saying. Okay, so it looks like we have a metal die. Oops, I'm not supposed to say that. A shape maker. Sorry, YouTube. A shape maker by Alina Craft, Creative Lovely Life. And that's really cool that she had these in her prize, because I don't have a machine. Oh, wait a minute. Let me rephrase. I didn't have a machine. Oh my gosh, look. It's a house. It's a neighborhood. Dude, that's cool. It's a neighborhood. And then some beautiful little butterflies. A beautiful butterfly. But listen, I'm going to hold up 1 second, because this is rather exciting that she has these in here. Because after this recording, I'm going to be doing a video. Oops, let me fix my camera. I'm going to be doing a video of a massive, massive, massive haul. So this will be one of the things that I got in my haul. So hang on. I sound like a rat in its nest, scurrying around. I can't help it, because I just got to show this real quick. Sorry, not to take away from what her prizes are, but because she got me these, or because these were, I can't say she got me these because I won these. Yeah, check it out. I just picked this up, and it's a Spellbinder's Prism. It's basically a mini-me of the of the shape shaper, I can't even say the word shape maker, because we can't say certain words. So it comes with the machine white base plate, the mat, the shaper mat, the blue embossing plate, tan embossing plate, and instructions, which I will definitely need. But this is a tiny one, so I think these may just be small enough to fit this machine. I'm hoping so, because I got this at Michael's with my 40% off coupon. So I got it for like 15 or 17 bucks by the time I got with all my coupons and rewards. But I thought, how cool is that? Everybody's been looking for me to get one of these. I finally got one. When I'll mess with it is another story. I've got too much going on. But I wanted to show that. Okay, back to Gracie. And check this out. I do work with polymer clay, and I do work with resin. So this is pretty cool. This is a mold for keys, and I love keys too. I think we all love keys. Keys has just become a thing. It's been a thing for a while, but it's really a big thing. So there's a mold with some keys. I don't know what this is. Grace, what is this? I mean, color me silly, stupid. What is this? I don't know what. It's got a crank on it. Huh? I'm not sure what this is, but it looks like fun. You will have to enlighten me on this one, Grace, because I don't know what it is. But texture and clay, I don't know. Does it make a paper wrinkle? I mean, what does it do? I'm gonna check it out. Does it do something to a paper? You know I gotta try it. You know I gotta try it. Because I'm just a goober like, well, it's better yet. Let's just take a piece off. I know this ain't it, but you know, it's fun to play. It's fun to pretend, to explore. It don't go in there, does it? Oh, it goes this way. What does it do? Okay, now I'm looking like a real fool here. Okay, let's just play. It definitely got caught. Okay, is this me playing? Because I don't know what it is. It's a little tough. But hey, it made a, hey, if this is not what it's meant to do, it's what it did. It made a crinkly edge. Ooh. Doesn't it kind of look like when you're watching Jaws and they show that scraggly picket fence at the beach, and then there's sand all around behind it, and then some little scraggly grass popping up? Yeah, that's what that reminds me of. Okay, I've got an active imagination. I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay, Grace, you'll have to tell me what that is for. I'm assuming it has to do with polymer clay. Here, speaking of polymer clay, this looks like some polymer clay rosettes. And it looks like we got a little bling bling here, because we always love some bling bling. Love bling bling. And she always has beautiful, beautiful bling bling. She really does. Look at that, y'all. Beautiful bling. Can y'all see that? Ooh, look at these little ones. Oh my goodness. Yep, Grace knows how to bling it out. That's all I'm gonna say. She's got some class pizzazz. Classy pizzazz. I love it. And a little heart charm. How cute. I love the bling. I love the bling. And I tend to think that I try to come up with bling, but usually mine's from necklace pieces or from beads or from something of jewelry. But these are outright flat back bling. They're not buttons. They're not necklaces. I mean, it's actually, you know, meant for embellishment. So, oh my gosh, there's more bling. Oh, how beautiful, Grace. Beautiful. Sorry, my nails ain't did. I haven't had time for me. Have not had time for me. And David says because I keep spending money, it's just not going to happen either. So, yeah, I'll have to go pick up some fake ones. Well, they're all fake anyway, right? We'll just say press on fake or glue fake. Okay, anyway, fake. Look at these beautiful, gorgeous rhinestones. Look at that. Beautimus. Can we say score on the bling? Thank you, Grace. It's so very generous of you. What a nice gift for, you know, the challenge. And it was a challenge in that challenge because I video everything and we weren't allowed to share it with YouTube. So it was like a little bit difficult, but I did it. So I earned that bling. I'm just saying I earned that bling. And so did anyone else that entered. I'm just saying. Okay, so here are some beautiful stamps. I think I might have something similar to these, but if I do, I'll let you know. Some elephants. I guess they're auto coolant stickers. I like stickers. I don't want to peel them off. It might be some form of vinyl, but I don't know. But they're elephants, y'all. Anybody do? My grandmother likes elephants. Maybe I can come up with something for that. And then she also has in here, and this is just the second prize, you guys, so you can imagine what Misty got. Look at these beautiful stickers. Now, I am a hoarder of stickers. I rarely use them, but I do hoard them. I give a lot of them away in my packages usually, but packaging has been coming slow and far and few between these days just because I don't have time, and I'm trying to get out packages for my friends from last year. So yeah, I'm behind the boat. And here is one more set of stickers. A pretty little deer, a skanky cup of joe. Yes, that is what we call it, the skanky cup of joe. Let me rephrase that. That's what Angie and Shelly called it. Shelly called it Skanky Joe. And, you know, Angie, of course, had to keep it going. So we've got the Skanky Cup of Joe. Love it, love it, love it. That's some beautiful stickers, too. Hello. So that concludes the Grace Valdivia winning prize package. Thank you, Grace. I appreciate it. And just a reminder, I will be coming out with a separate video for my challenge and my subby giveaway. So stay tuned for that. I have not gotten to it. The challenges and stuff and subby giveaways was ending on March 15th of this year, but I'm probably going to extend it just because I'm running out of time and I don't have the time. So I'll go into a new video for that, but stay tuned for that. And I'll also stay tuned for the massive haul that I'm getting ready to record, and then also a project share that I'm working on. It's going to be a 2-part, possibly a 3-part series, but I've already got the first one recorded. I just finished the editing on it, and so it will be popping out probably not long after this video here. So you guys take care, and I'll see you later. Gators. Bye.